Hello everyone, welcome back to our Level Up series. In Level Up series, we are also looking at the solutions of contest happening on LeetCode. So let us see the solutions of today's contest. So let us look at the very first question. The very first question was longest strictly increasing or strictly decreasing subarray. So we were given with an array of integer nums. We need to return the length of the longest subarray of nums, which is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. What do I mean by strictly increasing or strictly decreasing is either it should increase continuously. It means for an example of 14332 was a nums vector which is given to us. So 1 4 is strictly increasing, but 1 4 3 and 3. If I take 3 and 3, it is not increasing because 3 is equal to 3. So we need to return the length of the max. What we need to do is we need to return the length of the longest subarray of nums, which is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. So let us see the example number 1. 14332 was given to us. The strictly increasing subarrays possible are only 1, only 2, only 3, only 4, and 1 4. So maximum length that we can get for increasing subarray is 2. The maximum length that we can get for decreasing subarray is also 2. So the longest subarray which is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing is 2. So we will return 2 in this particular case. So in example number 3, it will be much clear. In example number 3, we were given the 3 to 1. The maximum length that we can get for the strictly increasing subarray is 1. The maximum length that we can get for strictly decreasing subarray is 3. So what we will do the max of maximum length of strictly increasing subarray, comma maximum length of strictly decreasing subarray, which is max of 1, 3, and we will return 3 in this particular case. So the question was pretty simple. What we did is, let me explain you once. We have computed the size of our nums vector. If size double equals to 1, it means it contains only one element. So we will directly return 1. Otherwise, we have made two variables, answer 1 and answer 2. Why we have made two variables? In answer 1, we will store the length of the strictly increasing length of the longest subarray, which is strictly increasing. In ANSW2, we are going to store the length of the longest subarray, which is strictly decreasing. So I have traversed through my array. For int I equals to 1, I less than size I plus plus. Why I started with 1, you can even start with 0. I have taken the value of k as 1. For, for int I equals to 1, I less than size I plus plus. Int k is equals to 1. For int j equals to I, j less than size j plus plus. I am checking. If nums at the index of j minus 1 is nums at the index of is greater than nums at the index of j, then I will increment the value of k. Otherwise, if this condition is false, it means my array is not strictly decreasing. I will break up this loop and I will do ANSW1 equals to max of k comma ANSW. Once this entire loop gets completed, in answer 1, we will have the length of the longest subarray, which is strictly decreasing. Then same approach I have followed for strictly increasing. Only change I did is I have changed greater than to less than. In answer 2 variable, we will have the length of the longest subarray, which is strictly increasing. After that, I am going to return max of answer 1 comma answer, which is our answer. So I hope the question is clear to you all. I have used the brute force approach, which you can easily use in question number 1. It will work fine. So if the question is clear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.